Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create wireframes in Figma. Figma offers many UI kits which are very beginner-friendly. They save you time and effort, letting you work faster. Go to the community section on figma.com and search for sketch wireframes or similar. Find a suitable kit and duplicate it. Create a new page and name it whatever you like. Let's start by creating some iPhone screens. I usually choose the largest size for more workspace. For the first screen, we'll create a login page. Use a placeholder for the app or company logo and center it nicely. Add rectangles for input fields. Hold Shift while dragging to keep proportions. Adjust the size to your liking. Copy over a button for the login. For the next screen, we'll focus on a feed. Copy elements like the profile and place them appropriately. This is just the basics, so adjust as needed. You're pretty much done. Copy and paste elements to fit your app's goal. I hope you enjoyed these tips on how to create a wireframes in Figma. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.